This is a video for discoverdigitalphotography.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take three images that are all lit differently and combine them into a single image with multicoloured lighting, and this will be using the blending options technique in the full version of Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop CC here, but you can do the same thing in Photoshop CS as well, at least I'm pretty sure you can. So I've got my three images open in Camera Raw, and I'm just going to open them, and I'm opening them as smart objects. That means that I can edit them again in the future if I want to, when they're as layers. So once the document is finished, I can go back and edit them again. And I think I'm probably going to have to pause the video for a bit while it loads all the images. Right, so we've loaded the images into Photoshop now, and now I need to put them all as layers in a single document. So I'm just going to drag that down. I'm going to click on the layer in the layer palette and hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and drag it over into this image. And you can see now we've got both those layers in a single image, so you can close that one. I'm going to drag this down, select both the layers that are in it, holding down the Shift key again and dragging the layers into this document. Now I can close that one. And now we've got our three layers in a single document. And this is what I mean about these smart objects. If you double click on the layer thumbnail, you can go back into Camera Raw and you can change any settings you want in here, and then put OK, and it will update the file with that. So at a later date, if you change your mind about anything to do with the raw conversion, you can go back and do it again. So it's quite a useful thing to have. So just wait for this to finish. There we go. Right, so to achieve this technique, all we do is double click on the space here next to in the layer palette next to the layer's name, and we're on the blending options, and you can see here under advanced blending we've got channels, and it shows red, green and blue. So I'm going to untick blue and green, so this top channel is just going to be red. But OK, can do the same thing, double click over here, and this middle one is going to be blue. But OK, and that's it. So if you've watched the other videos I've done on the other methods of this technique, you can see this one is a lot quicker and easier. Just to finish the image off, I'm going to create a new layer, sample the black colour on the background, and paint over these lights with my brush because I don't really want them in the image. And that's it.